Happy Wednesday, Toppers family. It's time again for another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week we got more amazing A-Frames, different colorways, more colorways of hats that you already liked. And I would say without further ado, let's go directly into this. And the first one is, I like that logo so much, and I can already tell you it's springtime, so we got more of these beautiful pink UVs, all black. And look at this beautiful hat, the Los Angeles Dodgers. This script is absolutely crazy. Just imagine, this is embroidered. This is so crazy that it looks that great. And then we got the LA on the side with the roses, black and pink. We got this black snap on the back, and as already said, the pink UV. And this is such a clean and beauty hat, and it has a special pop with that pink, that's for sure. And now the Los Angeles Dodgers, and I know a lot of you guys were asking me for that. Can you make the script from Los Angeles? And of course we did, and this time in a very special colorway that you guys highly appreciate lately. So this is the World Series 88, and then you got this fantastic mint black pewter white combo in the front, and this looks really amazing. So then you have this mint UV black guts, and on the back you also have this black snap. So this is the Los Angeles Dodgers World Series 88, and I'm super glad that this patch was re-released again, a little bit bigger, because the smaller one didn't look that great, but the bigger one is absolutely amazing, especially with the mint, because this has a special shine. You can see when I'm turning it around like this. It's really nice. Then, a lot of you guys were asking us, hey, can you make more takedowns from existing 5950 styles on the 940 A-frame? And of course we can, and this is one of those examples where we did. So you got this beautiful Dux Stone two-tone with grape button visor, and look at this beautiful front logo here with some metallic details. They pop off really good off this hat. And then you got the Stadium Series side patch, which is one of my favorite side patches from the NHL. I really like how this came out. It's bold, but it's not too big, but you can color it nice. It fits perfectly to that Anaheim Ducks color scheme on this hat. And then you got a stone snapback on the back, gray UV, black guts, the Anaheim Ducks stone two-tone. Beautiful hat. And I would say let's continue and go over to the next one. Another one from this series, which is also like a 5950 takedown that we did. And oh my God, it came out so great. Come on. The Chicago White Sox roses logo, and look at these fantastic details on the rose. A little bit of shimmer with metallic red and metallic green. Then you got the Sox logo over that, and then you got on the side in the same colorization the 95 years brick by brick side patch, black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, the Chicago White Sox. Beautiful hat. So then I know that you guys really love the World Series 99 side patch. And this week I got two very special hats from the Yankees. So two versions with the 99 side patch. Let's start with the faded logo. And I know this is also something you guys like a lot. And if you look at this beautiful silver pewter combination on this navy hat, it looks amazing. And also, you cannot go wrong with a 99 World Series side patch, right? It looks really good. And then you have this special touch through that cascading logo in the front, shimmer on the side, and then you also have a navy snapback, gray UV, black guts, the New York Yankees World Series 99. So this is the first one, and the second one is adding to the series that we have already started. So we had the blackout series, and I'll come to more blackouts in a second. And this is the whiteout series, and look at this beautiful thing. It came out so good. Chrome dome, and then you got white embroidery on the front, and then you got the all white side patch. And look at this, how shiny this is, even though it's not metallics. But sometimes when you're using on larger areas the same thread, and those threads from New Era, they are really great for doing something like this, because you can see still the details. You can read everything on that, but it has a special shine. So absolutely amazing. And then you got the navy snapback, navy button visor, New York Yankees, World Series 99, the whiteout two-tone, gray UV, black guts, beautiful hat, dropping this week at Topperzstore. So another fantastic chrome dome where we did a takedown and make it a little bit more vintage is this beauty, chrome and dark graphite with the golden star in the front from the used Astros with the 45th anniversary side patch. And this gold and all that stuff, this dark gray graphite, goes so well together. And then you got also here a dark graphite snap on the back. And this time a little bit more vintage, gray UV and white guts on this beauty. So this is the used Astros two-tone with gold and dark graphite, and look how beautiful this front logo looks on this head. So now let's come to another pack, and this is the final pack I would like to show off for this week. And blacked out pink, we had those as a 5950 and now they are coming as a 940 A-frame from 3 different teams. The first one is the New York Yankees. Everything is blacked out on the top. So blacked out front logo, blacked out 99 World Series side patch, gray UV and pink UV, I'm sorry, pink UV. And then you have this black snap on the back. So we got the New York Yankees. We got this beautiful Los Angeles Dodgers with the Ohtani comic side patch. You can see here with the kanji in the front. Also pink UV, and last but not least, an absolute classic, the Chicago White Sox. And then you got the Comiskey Park side patch, also pink UV. So for all of you guys that were asking for the NHL A-frames, okay? I have an update now because we got a lot of delays in shipping, so they should arrive very, very soon. Then we should have, again, more NHL A-frames as well. And the same is for A-frames, 950 A-frames. So not only 940 A-frames, also for 950 A-frames. So just that you know, we did not forget about that. We are still waiting on the delivery. And at Topperzstore USA, you can currently find a lot more 950 A-frames as well. So take a look at the store. We added a ton of 950 A-frames. And yeah, so I think there's a lot of stuff coming. Make sure you tune in every Monday when I'm showing off all the hats in Cap Talk. The next episode will be not next Monday, so this is not 100% clear because we are currently moving to the United States with the studio too. And yeah, so as soon as I know, I'll keep you updated, that's for sure. So make sure you follow us on Instagram, and also make sure you follow us in our Discord. The link is down in the description below. You can join the Discord. There you can find a lot of hat enthusiasts like you, like me, and then we can have a lot of discussions about our favorite hobby, and this is hats. So I would like to thank you guys very much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments below what were your favorite hats that I showed off this week, and which teams would you like to see next? Thank you very much for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.